Woodworking is a trade where you need to have a great collection of tools and expertise in every field, no matter if it's cabinetry making, shaping, or crafting. So in today's video, we'll show you some woodworking tools that are on another level. Looking for a game-changing addition to your woodworking arsenal? Look no further than the Jet router table. This customizable powerhouse offers not one, but two tabletop options, cast iron or MDF, so you can make it work for you. Plus, the rolling stand makes it easy to move around your workshop, and the precision router lift and customizable fence system ensure your projects are on point. With multiple dust ports, you can keep your workspace tidy and focused on the task at hand. Say goodbye to laborious cutting and hello to the Jet router table, the tool that will revolutionize the way you work. Get ready to amaze yourself with what you can create. The Grizzly Scroll Saw is the tool you need. This bad boy makes cutting smooth, accurate, and quiet with the option of pin end or plane end blades. Plus, the unique cam action blade release method allows you to tackle those tricky interior cuts with ease, saving you time and effort. The variable speed control gives you the flexibility to work with different types of wood, while the cast aluminum table provides superb tilting for endless applications. Whether you're a pro carpenter or a DIY woodworker, the Grizzly Scroll Saw will be your new best friend in the workshop. Let's be frank, you can't call yourself a pro without the perfect bevel gauge. That's where the Wolfcraft Angular Bevel gauge comes in handy. It's a must-have item for measuring and transferring angles. And let's be real, who doesn't love a good angle? With its flexible plastic legs and eccentric lever, you can effortlessly align angles on your miter saw. And don't even get us started on measuring small corners. This baby will have you covered. Plus, the integrated fold-out limit stop makes marking different angles a breeze, whether you're laying out a floor or building furniture. The Wolfcraft Bevel Gauge is the perfect wingman for your carpentry adventures. Don't be caught without it. Get yours today and join the ranks of the coolest carpenters on the block. Tired of nailing in an old-fashioned way? You better go with the Makita full round head framing nailer. This tool is so lightweight, you'll feel like you're not even nailing, more like sprinkling fairy dust on your project. And with faster nail driving, you'll be done before you know it. Plus, the solid, top-loading aluminum magazine ensures a great nailing experience. Need more power? No sweat. The large-capacity air chamber has got your back. With this bad boy in hand, even the toughest job site situations will bow down to your nailing prowess. So why wait? Grab the Makita framing nailer and let the nails fly. It's like a party for your project. Don't go on the toy-type look of these tools. These are the Kreg project blocks. You must be wondering how they work. Well, these project blocks simply elevate your working materials above the work surface for different jobs, and the set of 4 blocks can hold up to 200 pounds. Sounds too good to be true, right? Hold on. They have more clever features for you. The first thing to discuss is the retractable painting points. Just twist the project block and you're ready to apply paint. And don't worry about the durability. These project blocks are tough enough to withstand your job site fall downs. Don't you think it's high time to level up your workshop a little? Say goodbye to the hassle of cutting and hello to effortless shearing with the Marshalltown Magnum series shears. This great tool will shear through your flooring with ease and accuracy, leaving no dust in its wake. And get this, the blade can last up to 20 times longer than traditional blades. Talk about a game changer. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver around your project area, from laminates to vinyl planks and everything in between. This tool is ready for action. Upgrade your installation game today with the Marshalltown Magnum Series shears. Get rid of your rough and uneven edges with the Easy Edge. This tool has a 90-degree sole and an adjustable blade that glides along your board like butter. And if that's not enough, it can even handle chamfers, 1/4-inch radius, 3/16 radius, and 1/8 radius. What can't this thing do? Even highly figured maples are no match for the Easy Edge's smooth strokes. And when you're done, just pop it on the wall-mountable racket and call it a day. Trust us, your edges will thank you. Don't wait. Get your hands on the Easy Edge today. Have you been moving logs all day and feeling like you have a hunchback? Well, fear not. The Logox Forestry multi-tool is here to save your back. No more pain, no more injury. Just pure log-moving pleasure. With its unique hook design, you can securely hold those logs and strut around the yard like a boss. And if you thought that was impressive, wait till you hear this. You can lift even the heaviest logs with the handle extension. So go ahead, show off those muscles, and make log moving fun again. Are you annoyed with handling rough and worn out wood all the time? Get your hands on the VIVORE benchtop jointer. Thanks to its powerful motor, this tool can efficiently smoothen your wood in a matter of seconds. Plus, it offers an ultimate planing width of 156 millimeters. Don't worry about the mess because it comes with a dust exhaust interface to keep your workspace clean. Safety and reliability. You got it. This tool is perfect for all your woodworking needs. Get ready to transform any piece of wood into a masterpiece. Okay, let's wrap up today's list with the Ryobi OnePlus HP compact brushless circular saw. Even though it is 25% lighter than previous circular saws, it provides more power, runtime, and durability than ever. This circular saw delivers up to 4,900 RPM of cutting power while having a small and light design. Surprisingly enough, it allows you to make around 350 cuts on a single charge. It also equips a depth adjustment gauge, which lets you get the desired cutting depth on your materials. 0 to 50-degree bevel capacity, vacuum dust adapter, and onboard LED work light are other pros of this saw to keep you productive during hectic job site situations. Alrighty, that was the list of the woodworking tools that are on another level. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.